Hello everyone. Glean is hiring for software engineering intern summer of 2026. So Glean is hiring for a role, internship role, and it will be for software engineer. So those who don't know about Glean company, let me explain the company first. So you will find the application link on the comment section or in the description. You can directly check out. But let me first show you what the company Glean does. Glean is a AI company which makes AI products for enterprises. You can check out, this is their home landing page, or you can say the home page, and you will find all the stuffs these companies do. Basically, they are a product based company and they provide AI solutions to other companies also. Okay, as you have seen, I'm just give first of all let me give you the demo of their website, then we will talk about what roles they are required and who can apply for these roles. Okay, so as you know, I have told about the Glen, so no need to read. So the location will be Palo Alto, California. Okay, and now let's talk about this role. As a software engineering intern, you will participate in designing, developing, and maintaining software solutions that power our products and services. Okay, as I have told, you have to make AI product basically. So you will own a scope high impact project end to end, from defining the problem and writing a design to building, testing, launching, and measuring outcomes. Okay, see production quality codes that is reliable, well tested, and maintainable. Basically, you have to write maintainable and scalable code. Learn quickly and contribute across stakes based on your interest: backend services, product engineering, AI, ML, searches, infrastructure, security, and more. Work closely with both people within and beyond our team while having fun along the way. So, what about you? For whom this role is for basically, this role is for anyone who is graduating in the fall of 2026 or spring of 2027 with BS, MS, PhD in computer science or equivalent program. Basically, you need a computer science degree basically for applying for this role. A team player, a strong desire to learn and owner mentality, comfortable working in a fast-paced, data-driven environment, interested in something in the realm of backend infrastructure, security, UI, full stacks, or ML, NLP searches, etc. Okay. Prior internship experience is one or more of the areas of the above. If you have previous experience in internship, you can also apply this for this role. Actually, it will be added as a bonus point for you. Strong foundation in CS and software development fundamental. If I now let's talk about the location. This role is a hybrid, so you have to attend 3 to 4 days a week in our Palo Alto office or San Francisco office. Okay, as I have told, it will be a hybrid and you can work from your home, or also you can work from the office, but you need to attend at least 3 to 4 days from the office. You need to work 3 to 4 days. Now let's talk about the compensation and benefits. The benefits is you will get compensation of 57 to 69 dollar per hour, and depending on their skills and performance it will be very, it will be best. Okay, so if you want to apply for this role, you can come to this website and apply your first name, last name, email, and touch your CV, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching.